Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of business card design. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Here you can see perfect size of business card. Green color denotes safe zone for work, so we will work inside safe zone. First we will take safe size, 3.25 by 1.75 inches. You can zoom in, zoom out to press and hold Alt plus scroll wheel up and down. Open ruler to press Ctrl plus R and make guides to click and hold plus drag like this. This is safe space for work. Go to image menu and select canvas size, 3.5 by 2 inches. Now press OK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more update. Take one more canvas size, 3.75 by 2.25 inches. This is perfect canvas sizes for design business card. Now, select horizontal type tool to click here. Click here and type name. Click here and select font style. Make bold font to click here and select bold. Double click to select font. Click here and pick color and press OK. Select Move tool. Press and hold Alt button plus drag for make it duplicate text. Select the text to double click and type designation. Now select and resize font to click here. Click here and make it regular. Click and drag text perfectly like this. We will take one more guideline for align texts and icons. Copy this icon to press Ctrl plus A plus C and paste here to press Ctrl plus V. Now transform this layer to press Ctrl plus T. Resize the icon to click and drag like this. Adjust icon between these lines. Make sure icon must be inside this guideline. Now add all icon and align to following previous process. Text your contact detail, address, location and website. Now add logo in this area. Copy this logo to press Ctrl plus A plus C and paste here to press Ctrl plus V. Now click and drag to right place. Now you can see front side of business card is ready. Select Move tool to select all to click and drag. Make it group to press Ctrl plus G. Add new layer to click here and hide group layer. Now back side of business card, we have placed company name with logo. Copy this image and paste here.